So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is add some audio to your PowerPoint. Now there's two ways to go about this. You can, in your PowerPoint, go to Insert Audio, and where I'm going to show you how to get an audio from a file. You can record on your PowerPoint, but there's some issues with what we're going to be doing in class of why you might not want to do that, but that is also an option for you. I recommend using a program called Audacity. So if you just go to Google, okay, well, hypothetically, you go to Google and you type in Audacity, you'll come up with this program. It's free to download, so you want to grab the Audacity 2.03. Oh, here it is. And right here, and this will allow you to download. Again, it's a free program that you can put on your computer, and it's going to look like this. And this will allow you to record any information. The reason why I suggest using Audacity is because there's all kinds of cool things you can do with it, and it's really easy to edit. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull up Audacity. Close out of this. I'm going to click New File. So all I'm going to do is, it's really easy to use. I'm just going to go ahead and click Record. So right here you can see how I'm talking and how the voice level is picking up. I'm going to pause this for a second. Now, if your microphone isn't picking you up very well, you want to go down to Computer and make sure that your microphone is turned all the way up. Or not computer. You want your control panel, rather. So what you want to do is you want to go to Sound and Recording, and this will tell you that it's working or not working. And this will allow you to, if you click on this, it will let you to listen. You can adjust the microphone level, so you can turn your microphone up or down. So a lot of problems you're going to have with recording is your microphone just isn't going to be turned up, so you can do that through here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording again on Audacity. I'm just going to go here, and there's going to be another window that pops up on the bottom, which is fine. So here I am. I'm going to record. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and read it like normal. Los animales por señora menor. The bat has as many wings as the bee. El murciélago tiene tantas alas como la abeja. The chick is bigger than the ant. El pollito es más grande que la hormiga. The lion is as big as the wolf. El león es tan grande como el lobo. So there, I've just recorded my PowerPoint presentation with my sentences. I'm going to click Stop Recording. Now you can see here there's a bunch of stuff on here that I don't really care about, right? All I have to do is highlight it, click Delete. Bam, it's gone. Let's say I don't want this little window over here. There's a little X that you can normally get to, which I can't see right now. And I'm just going to X out of it, so now that's gone. I can move this audio to the beginning by using this arrow, and now I can make it go to the beginning. So now if I'm just going to click this, I can play and see what I sound like. So here I am. I'm going to record. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. So what I'm thinking right now is I'm way too loud, so I'm going to turn down the volume on my voice, just like by going down here. So here I am. I'm going to record. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. But right now I don't want all this information, so I'm just going to delete this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and read it like normal. Los animales. So here, I'm just going to take from here on. I don't want any of this information in my sound recording. I'm just going to delete it. Shazam. Now if you're going to do this one slide at a time, do you see how you can have 12 different audio tracks? So you can get the one thing, say it as many times as you want until you get it perfect, and then you're just going to line them up down the screen. So now what I'm going to do is, the most problem you're going to have with this program is you can't just do a save as. You're going to want to do a save project as, and what's going to happen is all other programs do not play well with Audacity. It's like putting in a shark with a bunch of little kitty cats in the ocean. They're not going to play well together, okay? It's going to be a disaster. So you want to go to Export. You want to do this as a WAV file, and you want to put this in the same folder as your PowerPoint and your pictures and anything else that you're using. So I'm just going to put this on my desktop for the sake of the story today. PowerPoint trial with animales. You can put all kinds of information in here. You can save this to your iTunes. You can export it wherever you want to. So now you can just go ahead and insert that sound audio into your PowerPoint. Go to Audio, Audio from File, Desktop, Animals Trial. PowerPoint trial? Okay. Insert. Now when I click here, Los animales por señora menor. The bat has, and that's going to be my audio. On the second video, I'm going to show you how to go through a PowerPoint presentation, making sure all that audio matches up. But what I want to do is I want to show you the cool thing about using Audacity is how you can actually close out of here. You can actually insert music or sounds behind your recording. It's really easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Import Audio. Now this has to be in a WAV format, W-A-V-E, otherwise Audacity will not play well with it. So here I've recorded some things. I've turned it into a WAV file. I'm going to click Open, click OK. It's going to take about 8 seconds to, and now I'm going to have background music on my audio. So you might want to change your view. You can zoom in, Control 1, do that a number of times. So now when I click here to start, you're going to hear the music in the background. Los animales por señora menor. The bat has as many wings as a bee. Okay, now I'm kind of being dominated by the background music, right? What am I going to do? Oh no, do you see this little volume? Shazam, I'm going to turn it down. Now let's see what happens. Los animales por señora menor. The bat has as many wings as a bee. Kind of snazzy. So now when I export this as a different file, I can have the music going on in the background. Now, if you want to mess around, there's a cajillion things. You could take about 3 hours or 3 days and play with all the cool things you can do with Audacity. You can edit. You can make yourself amplify. You can put your information in reverse. You can sound like the Charlie Brown person that goes wah, 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 wah. You can do all kinds of really cool things that you can mess around with it. I don't recommend doing that on your PowerPoint presentation, but that's how you insert audio or other levels going through.